There's a myth that you need to go to the city to have a good kind of sustainable job. There's a lot of opportunity within Eteros, but our manufacturing hub is going to stay in this rural community. I'm Ryan Bajurso. I'm the general manager at Eteros Technologies. Our main product line is the Mobius Harvest line, which is an industrial and commercial grade cannabis and hemp processing equipment. Everything at Eteros is done in-house. We're always looking for highly skilled individuals, whether it be design engineers, manufacturing engineers, right across the board for our production. We're always looking for machinists, millwright, welders, assemblers. There's also lots of room at Eteros to join if you have a good attitude. We're always willing to bring people on and to train them to do different tasks. Definitely the number one criteria is to have a good attitude and be willing to learn. Eteros is a great place to work for a couple reasons. We have a really great team, very collaborative and tight-knit environment, paired with the opportunity to develop really innovative products, really unique state-of-the-art machines. And this is all being done working with a really talented, kind of unique, diverse team. If we have somebody that's new that's going to be designing equipment, we want them to first of all see how we've designed equipment in the past so that we kind of keep the touch and feel for the equipment. Probably more importantly, we want them to know who's going to be assembling the machines, kind of create that good back and forth relationship so it's not, there isn't a silo between design and the people building the machine. Equipment that we're developing and manufacturing, it definitely draws people. Once people come, they want to be involved in it. They want to see it through. They want to see what's next. Obviously in this area, there's all kinds of great places to go summer and winter. There's tons of lakes, there's tons of kind of parks, trails, outdoor rinks for playing hockey. You can have a rink in your backyard. For me, being able to bring jobs and bring opportunities to a small town and see a business grow, it's really important to me personally. There's a lot of opportunity within Eteros, but our manufacturing hub is going to stay in this rural community.